Hi, I'm Mrs. Wallace and I teach science here at Chesterton High School. Today I'm going to walk you through the pathways of science courses that you could choose to take if you are college bound but not necessarily planning on going into the STEM field. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. So if you are interested in majoring something other than that, so things like business, econ, history, art, music, literature, international studies, these would be good options that you can choose from. All students have to take and pass both semesters of Biology 1. This is normally taken as a freshman year course, although some students can take it in 8th grade. There is an option to be recommended for the honors section of this course. After that, you would either take Integrated Chemistry Physics or Chemistry 1. That choice is determined on your Algebra 1 grade, and in order to take chemistry, you have to have a C or better. Otherwise, you would take ICP. Junior and senior year, you have many options to choose from. If you plan on doing the IB program, you could choose to take IB Biology, which can be a 1 or 2 year course. You could also choose to take AP Biology, which is a dual credit course. Junior and senior year, you can also choose between Environmental Science or AP Environmental Science. Earth and Space Science can be taken as a junior or a senior and is also a dual credit course. Physics 1 can be taken once you have completed geometry. If you are doing the IB program, you have a choice of taking IB Physics, which is a 1-year course taken junior or senior year. You can also choose to take AP Physics 1, which is based on your algebra and geometry completion. The IB program also offers Environmental Systems and Societies, which is a 1-year course, either junior or senior year. Or the IB program offers the chemistry course, which is a 1-year course, junior or senior year. You have to take Chemistry 1 in order to complete this course. AP Chemistry and Chemistry 2 are also both dual credit options. These are the courses that you would take if you plan on going on to a 4-year college but not majoring in a science, technology, engineering, or math course. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Muller and I teach science here at Chesterton High School. I'd like to take a moment to introduce you to some of the courses that we offer here in science that will prepare you very well for pursuing a STEM field of study after high school. At any point in this video, if you would like to read more about the courses, please pause the video. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. If you are pursuing a STEM field of study in college, it's really important to have a solid basis in biology, chemistry, and physics in high school. So the courses that we're about to talk about will introduce you to biology, chemistry, and physics, and then you'll have the option to take more courses that can add to your knowledge and your understanding. Everybody will begin with Biology 1. Biology 1 is a prerequisite of all the other science courses. You also have to pass Biology 1 to graduate from high school. There is an honors option that your middle school teacher might recommend you for. After biology, you will take chemistry. Chemistry 1 does not have an honors option, but it prepares you very well for all the upper level science classes. Now, after Chemistry 1, you have lots of choices. So we'll go very quickly through the other choices. And so here's the point where if you want to pause the video to read more, you should do so. So after Chemistry 1, we have Physics 1, Zoology, Physiology and Anatomy, AP Biology, which also has a dual credit option, AP Chemistry and Chemistry 2, which has a dual credit option, AP Physics 1, which is algebra-based physics, AP Physics 2, which continues on topics from AP Physics 1 and is also algebra-based, AP Physics C, which is calculus-based physics, AP Environmental Science. Then you have your IB program options in science, IB Biology, a 1 or 2 year course, IB Chemistry, a 1 year course, IB Physics, a 1 year course, IB Environmental Systems and Societies, a 1 year course. Project Lead the Way, Principles of Biomedical Sciences is a course that can be taken with biology, so our first year students can take this course. And then the second course in the series is human body systems. We also offer other classes like environmental science and earth and space science, and all of these courses will help to prepare you very well for pursuing a STEM field of study after high school.
Hello, I'm Mr. Martino. I'm one of the science teachers here at Chesterton High School. I'll talk to you about the career technical bound pathway available to you at Chesterton High School. This is one that involves a technical bound pathway stemming from the courses that you'll be taking in high school. It doesn't necessarily assume that you will be going to college having taken these courses at the high school level, but that might be an option to you should you decide to change your career options later in life. Now, you have mandatory courses that you need to take within the career technical bound pathway. First, you have Biology 1, which is basically comprehensive life science, study of cells, study of the chemistry of life, study of genetics, evolution, populations. It's a very comprehensive course, 1 year long course offered commonly in freshman year, although it's also available in 8th grade at the middle school, or perhaps the middle school you attended before coming to Chesterton High School. Usually following that, although it has been offered before Biology 1, is Integrated Chemistry and Physics, which is basic chemistry and physics. The course is about 2/3 physics, involving basic physics calculations as well as labs. The remainder of the course is chemistry, involving the different chemical reactions involved, study of the periodic table, look at ions, basically applications of problems that involve chemical reactions. It's a pretty comprehensive course at a basic level for both chemistry and physics, but it's not as high level as a full year of physics at the high school level, nor is it involving high level chemistry at the high school. So it's very basic algebra. Following that, you have an additional optional course that you could take, which could be Chemistry 1, which is a very intensive algebra course involving comprehensive chemical reactions. Look at some pretty high level laws of chemistry. Again, a 1 year course like Integrated Chemistry and Physics and Biology 1. Involves a good deal of work at home, although certainly it gives you an option should you decide to change your career pathway later on in life. Environmental science is another option, which basically studies the environment, life in the environment, protection of the environment, preservation of the environment, very comprehensively on the environment, another 1 year course. Project Lead the Way Biomedical Science is another course offered. Biomedical science does involve, among other things, forensics, problem solving related to crimes. And you're also with another option of human body systems. You could take both courses as well. Human body systems looks at anatomy and physiology of the human body. Another optional course available to you would be Earth and Space Science, offered as another 1 year course. That course could be also offered for dual credit. Content-wise, Earth and Space Science involves study of the Earth and geology and astronomy, on its way to offering you a full year of exposure to those topics and potentially dual credit. And this concludes this presentation on the career technical bound pathway available to you at Chesterton High School.
One of the things that students that consider a career right out of high school, or even a career that is very non-technical, think that they really don't need any science courses. In reality, science has a lot of application for you in a number of different areas, and these are the science classes that you are going to want to consider as you plan for your next 4 years. Biology is required. The state of Indiana requires biology as a course. From there, you can take integrated chemistry and physics, environmental science, and earth and space science. I'm going to tell you a little bit about those 4 classes. Biology 1, biology is the study of life. It's living things. It's going to talk about a lot of things about cells, about organic chemistry, about molecules, possibly even into some development and genetics. Now, you have to pass both semesters of Biology 1 in order to earn a diploma in the state of Indiana. So make sure that you are staying up with your work and keeping up with that in Biology 1. From there, you may want to take Integrated Chemistry and Physics, or ICP. It is all about chemistry and physics, the physical sciences. You may decide that you like that and want to go on and take chem or physics, but it's going to at least give you the background that you need to be able to do things dealing with science regardless of where you end up. Another option is environmental science. Environmental science obviously deals with the environment. A lot of things dealing with recycling, understanding environmental systems, waste management, economics, atmospheric science, a lot of different things with that. You do need to take Biology 1 before you take environmental science. Not a bad idea to have ICP or chemistry before as well. It'll just help you out as you move forward. And then Earth Space Science. You can take it as a dual credit class where you can actually get college credit for it, or you can just take Earth and Space Science as a high school course. Again, you have to have Biology 1 in order to take Earth Space Science. ICP chemistry wouldn't hurt as well, but Earth and Space deals with things like the water cycle, the weather, rocks, Earth history, plate tectonics, planets, exploration of the universe. These are all pretty cool sciences. If you have any interest in those at all, go ahead and talk to your guidance counselor or feel free to come and talk to any of the science teachers.